Hi there, I'm Mark. I am an instructor of architectural communications, which is basically how architects talk to other people, which is through drawing. And over the years, of course, drawing with pen and paper has lost its novelty, and we've moved on to using the computer to generate our drawings. With what's happening right now and the necessity to move this into an online platform, I kept thinking, how would we be able to do this best? And I think somehow I've gotten to nail it a little bit. And so we wanted to push this out there in the form of a 12-minute classroom. What we want to do here is actually create a space where you can come in, spend 12 minutes of your time and actually learn something, get to know within a span of 5 sessions, 5 videos. You will be able to understand key concepts within drawing in the computer and many other types of architectural communication. How we're gonna conduct this is through a streaming setup like this one that we're using right now. Let's basically check out the classroom and see what it's all about. What we have here is a 2020 version of the AutoCAD software. What we have here is a screen capture, and it shows you over here on the mouse area here. It shows you the movement, and then if I perform a left click, a right click, and whatever middle mouse button, if I hold on to that and move it around, you will still see that. Now, this is quite important because in a classroom setting, at least how I used to teach this, the students were not able to see this, was not able to show it to them like this, which is actually very refreshing when I found out how to do this with OBS, which is steadily becoming the de facto tool to use for online learning situations like this one. When you open this up, this AutoCAD software, your mind's basically bombarded by all these icons that you can push and click on, and it's not very intuitive actually. AutoCAD is actually a very simple program. It's a program that was written in English and is meant to be performed in English. I suppose the next part of it is to learn how to navigate within this space, because this is clearly a very different space than desktop publishing applications. What we need here is to be comfortable with using the mouse, because this is the most important tool that will allow you to move the paper and then control the entities that are going to be generated within this space. We shall move on to this for another time. Thank you guys, and I will see you again. Take care.